Hello friend, this is video number 4 in trigonometry series. Today we will learn about how to memorize trigonometry table. So there are 5 degrees, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So when sine 0, the value will be 0. Cos 0, value will be 1. So tan is sine divided by cos. So 0 divided by 1 is 0, means tan 0 is 0. Cot is 1 by tan. So 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. So cot 0 is infinity. So in this case we have to only remember sine and cos value. Automatically we will calculate tan and cot value. Now sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So here if I mention sine 30, cos 30, so 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, and cot is exactly opposite of tan. So 1 by tan, so cot is root 3. So cot is root 3. Sin 45, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. It is easier to remember. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So tan is again sin by cos, tan is again sin by cos, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So root 2 will get cancelled and tan will be only 1. So cot is 1 by tan, then cot will be again 1. So this 45 degree value we can easily remember. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 45 is 1, cos 45 is 1. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. If I put again this value in this formula, I will get root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled, value will be root 3. So tan is root 3, tan 60 is root 3, and cot is 1 by tan, so cot is 1 by root 3. Cot is 1 by root 3. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. So again sin by cos, so tan is sin by cos, so tan is 1 by 0. So tan is 1 by 0, 1 by any number divided by 0 is infinity. So tan is here infinity, cos is 1 by infinity. So cot is 1 by tan, so 1 by infinity, any number divided by infinity is equal to 0. So cot is 0. Now we have calculated on the basis of this value, value of tan and cot. So now we can easily remember, see here sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2, and cos 60 is 1 by 2, means sin 30 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. These two value is same. Then cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2. These two value is same. Then sin 0 and cos 90, sin 0 and cos 90 is 0 0. Cos sin 0 and cos 90 is 0, then sin 90 and cos 0 is 1. So sin 90 and cos 0 is 1. So sin 30 cos 60 half half, sin 30 cos 60 half half, cos 30 sin 60 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2, sin 0 cos 90 0 0, sin 90 cos 0 1 1, and same for tan 0 cot 90, tan 0 cot 90 0 0, then cot 90 tan 0, sorry, cot 90 tan is we have already seen, tan 0 and cot 90, tan 0 and cot 90, tan 0 cot 90 already seen, tan 90 and cot 0. Now tan 90 cot 0 is infinity, these two value is same, and tan 45 cot 45, these two value is same, that is 1 1. Tan 30 cot 60, tan 30 cot 60, these two value is same, that is 1 by root 3 1 by root 3. Cot 30 tan 60, that is root 3 root 3. So we can say this is symmetric table. If we check it, we can easily remember it by knowing this all. So I have two example, that is sec pi by 4. Sec is 1 by cos, so 1 by cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 means 45 pi by 180. First we have to convert pi by 45 degree into radian, that is 9 5s and 9 2s, 5 1s 5 4s, that is pi by 4, means pi by 4 is 45 degree. So cos 45 is equal to cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Same example, here only cosec is given and radian is pi by 3. So convert pi by 3 into degree, pi by 3 into degree, that is pi by 3 divided by pi by 3 multiply by 180 by pi, that is pi will get cancelled, 180 by 3, that is 90 degree, 60 degree, 3 6 and this 0 0, 60 0. So cosec is cosec is 1 by sine, so 1 by sine here, that is sine 60. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So cosec pi by 3 is root 3 by sine 60 is root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by root 3, and here also 1 by root 2, that is root 2, this value is root 2, means we are calculating here sec. So the third example is cos 55 degree approximately 0.5 by 7. This we cannot calculate on paper, we required here calculator. So this I will show on calculator with in another lecture. So please write me if you have any query related with this problem in comment section, and I have also share my email ID in description section. You can write your query there, and I will definitely try to solve it, and request you to subscribe my channel, like it and share it. Thank you. Thanks.